Welcome to the Hellisheiði power plant, the biggest one and the newest one in Iceland in the field of geothermal power plants, and has become a tourism attraction.
So the visitors come to see what?
What they can do here is take a look and learn how we are utilizing the geothermal energy, which means a lot for us here in Iceland.
So how do you use this energy?
We are using it for producing electricity and also hot water for the heating district. And here you can learn about how it's done. We have the production process for the power plant on a big screen, and we have film about the origin of the geothermal energy. You can learn about how geothermal energy is utilized, and overview over the turbines. And also we have a sound simulator for earthquakes. We are here on the volcanic active zone, so we are very familiar to earthquakes. The geothermal power plants are built on a high temperature area, which means that the heat here underneath is not under 200 degrees Celsius. So there's a lot of energy. And the capacity for the power plant is 303 megawatts in electricity, and also we're producing 400 megawatts in hot water, which means that we can send from here 1,840 liters of 83 degrees hot water for the district heating in Reykjavík.